Hello everyone and welcome back to Dueling Park News. My name is Chase and I am here at a very cold, very chilly Universal Orlando Resort. Now when I say chilly, I actually mean I'm freezing my butt off. It is 40 degrees Fahrenheit right now in Orlando, which is what, 22 degrees Celsius for all of you who live outside of the United States. It should almost be illegal to be this cold in Orlando. But nonetheless, we have active construction going on right now for our new project that has actually been announced now. Now, as far as an official name for this project, hey, it's Chase from the future here. By the time you're watching this, Universal Orlando Resort has finally announced that it will be Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift and that the coaster will be coming to the resort in 2027. It will feature a 170-foot spike leading into City Walk and will have the powered drifting cars. That has not come yet. Universal has only released a little video that shows a speedometer and a mileage tracker like you would see on the dashboard of a car. And the engine revs up and you see the speedometer go up and you see the mileage form the date January 20th, 2026. But you know what? By the time this video gets posted, which will be tomorrow, I'll go ahead and insert name here. And yeah. Well, let's head up to the steps and check out the insert name here for this coaster. Well, here we are at the top of the Hard Rock Cafe, and we have so much construction going on. Holy moly, we've got so much stuff going on. They're doing something right here with these metal pipes, pushing them into the ground. There's been a lot more dirt work too, as well as the black pieces right here, which someone called out in my last video as kind of like a septic system for the ground underneath the coaster. Now, what they are doing right here, you coaster nerds will have to put down in the comments below, because I would love to learn what they're doing. I mean, this has just been an interesting process to see this coaster, basically come from nothing the last few months. And they haven't slowed down construction one bit. From what, September when Rip Ride Rockit went down to now. Working through the holiday season, working through Halloween Horror Nights where you could actually cross under the construction. It's just been crazy how fast and how quick they have moved to put this new coaster up. Here is our midway shot where we can see a buttload of new supplies coming in. It has been all laid out here. They are doing some framework over here in our giant pit, which is crazy. That was just dug recently and they already have all this metal sticking out of the ground for it. Something I just realized is the Hard Rock Cafe is not playing music, so that's perfect for this video. And we zoomed in on our lovely pit right here. Interesting stuff going on. We are pushing those pipes in there. We've even got some work going on back here at our other pit. It is a large footer that is currently in the progress of getting some rebar support over there or something. But it's interesting because some of it is covered up, but some of it is still being worked on. If we stand right here, we can get both of these pits. One's a footer and one is not quite sure yet, but the metal sticking out of the ground, and they are both being worked on today in this frigid weather. Alright, well, let's head on down into City Walk and into Universal Studios Florida so we can take a look from the theme park perspective. And we have made it inside Universal Studios Florida now. I am walking over here towards the stage as a lot of prep work happens for Rock the Universe, which is the Christian concert series that gets held here. But man, I just gotta say, I am freezing. I cannot feel my fingers right now. And I feel like I'm slurring my words almost. Check it out. Our auger right here is actually in use. So it is digging into the ground right now. If we zoom in just a little bit, you can kind of notice it spinning very slowly, but the cord hanging off the side of it is moving like crazy. We'll give it a few more seconds. Maybe we can see it change right here. No, because I put a camera at it, so they got to stop now, huh? we have spinning going on. It just stopped, but it was going for a second. There it goes again. Check it out. Our auger machine right here is spinning into the ground. And here's an even more zoomed in spin for our auger machine. Drill into that dirt. Let's get some footers up and let's get this coaster going. It's always pretty cool to see, but let's go head over to the backside of New York and check out our vertical construction and our giant crane. Now over here in the backside of New York, we do have some construction going on. As you see, that dump truck is getting filled up with dirt as we speak. There is some more additional vertical construction. We have some new rebars put up, as well as the makings of what looks like a roof being put up on that maintenance building now. We got some movement with the machinery, and we got some more equipment stashed over here now with some Sunbelt rentals. But you know what? If I hold you high up, you can actually see where a footer has been placed. I don't know if I was able to get those shots of it in the last few videos, but right there in front of where that dump truck is getting filled in, you will see some footers sticking out of the ground. So that's actually really cool to see. But you know what? I was about to walk right past this and I didn't even say anything about it. Finnegan's is closed for a very lengthy refurbishment, but you know what? It deserves it. It'll open up later again this year, hopefully better than ever. Let's see what the sign says. Sorry, we're closed for a full-service restaurant experience. Please visit Lombardi's down in San Francisco. It's so cold out here, I think I'm going to have to go get a hot butterbeer. Yeah, that's going to have to happen today. It's time to count your days, Supercharged. Count your days. After doing a lap around studios, ended up over here in Central Park, and they are actively working on the new concession stand. However, there is still no signage and still no update onto what will be offered at this stand by Universal. And here is the view of the new concession stand from the front over beside Ammo Actors. Still no signage. Well, as I'm making my way out through Hollywood, we have one of the bigger stages for Rock the Universe set up over here, and this year they have a giant screen. It's currently being lowered right now, but oh, that's pretty cool for one of the stages. All right, let's head back to the Hard Rock and end this video there. All right, I have made my way back up to the second floor of Hard Rock, so let's take one more peek over at the construction. And here is where everyone says that the triangular footer is actually a good sign for a spike coming to this coaster. So over here in this area is a triangular footer where we could see a spike coming out into City Walk. Take a look at this big boy right here. I wonder what that could be used for. There's also some little pieces for it too. Well, we are moving dirt, we are digging out, we are laying pipe. Anything that you can think of for this coaster, they are doing it right now. Also got some work going on midway over here with a Sunbelt rental, kind of like a big forklift, dropping some material off over there, as well as a construction worker standing in that footer. And that's going to wrap things up for me today here at Universal Studios Florida, as there is a lot of construction going on for insert name here, and we are so ready for it. It is time for this coaster to have its legs. It's time for this park to have another coaster. It's time. But I just want to say thank you for watching, thank you for following along, and I will see you in the next update video.